Hey guys, so yeah, we're back with another episode of Playback. Yeah, just my voice feeling a bit under the weather, a bit sick, but now we're all good, all good. So yeah, let's get into this week's Playback. 5 songs again. I just load up the song list real quick. See what's going on. We got He's Intentional by Travis Green. Lion of Judah. I think that's just clicked there. Not sure what that by. He's able. Oh, that we can delete real quick. Let's change that to Here I Am to Worship. I don't think there's really much on the playback really this week. And Graves into Gardens by Elevation. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. Let's see this first one here. Don't I have original program? Damn. Okay, I have to make that all up again. Lion of Judah. It's probably just a click, honestly. Or a click and loop. Still nothing there. Damn. He's able. What do we have? Oh, where's all the files? Yeah, why doesn't that show up here? It's weird. Anyway, let's just import that. And just get the tempo in. Let's see this. I think this we're gonna do in the key of D, and it's currently in C sharp, so we're just gonna take it up by one.
All in. Instrumental. Tag. Turnaround.
Yeah, Lion of Judah. What's the tempo for that? And this, no click there. We can just throw Graves to Gardens close by. Not much. 70. Cool. Okay, and then I think we just gotta find a click for that, click and loop, and I gotta create that entire song on its own. So, but yeah, for now, mm, let's just see. For now, let's just add this in, and then I'll come back to those projects, add that in, and then we should be good. So,
1, 1, 1. Verse 1,
oh,
verse 2, chorus, drums in, around,
oh yeah. So kind of what we did on the turnarounds was found it at this arrangement at Transformation Church, and just kind of coupled that with Elevation's original one. So that's what we did.
verse 3, verse 4, chorus, chorus, turnaround, bridge 1, bridge 1, build, bridge 1, tag,
Tag, where you at? There we go.
chorus, breakdown, drums in, all chorus, all in, bridge 2, bridge 2, tag, tag, breakdown,
Ending, 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 ending. Um. Okay, that's cool for that song. That's not too bad. Let's do this.
1, 2, 3, intro 2, 3, verse, all in, instrumental,
Normally on this version that we found, they don't do a lot of key changes. Actually, no key changes at all. Actually, so compared to the original one, where like almost every verse or second verse it keeps going up, but this one now we decided just to keep it on one key.
instrumental, verse, turnaround, instrumental. Verse. Turnaround, instrumental. Tag. 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 Bridge. 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 Break. Bridge. 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 Breakdown. Turnaround. Turnaround. Ending.
Alright, that wasn't bad. That was cool, man. Easy things. Yeah, guys. So, just finish arranging this, checking what's going on, exported it. So let's just jump back onto what is needed for Sunday. Damn, I didn't even name it properly. Okay, and then if we can just import this.
Breakdown. Drums in. Verse. Pre-chorus. Pre-chorus.
Oh, damn. Didn't lock this in. Oops. And change that. Okay. Let's just make sure this is fine.
Chorus. Turnaround. Bridge 1.
That's fine. Okay, let's just go back here and finish up at this.
Chorus.
Chorus, where you at? There we go.
Verse. Pre-chorus. Chorus. Bridge. Breakdown. Breakdown. Bridge. Chorus. Hits.